My name is Thokozani Dladla, popularly known as Thoks here in Dunlop. I've been working for Sumitomo Dunlop for almost 22 years. I joined this company, it was year 2000. I was employed as a tire builder in a PCR making, not having a big education. I just came here with my matric. They took me through to various courses while I was here, and thereafter I took up a formal education, so they paid for my bursary. So that was quite a good thing for me as a person. In 2010, I was promoted to be a supervisor, and then in 2015, a production specialist. I was selected to lead the team that was going to Japan. That was during the start of the TPR plan. I was then promoted to be a production manager, leading those guys. So we came back and then we started a production here in 2018. I was fortunate to meet the guys that started the company at 1973. We took the baton from them. So now our duty also is to give the baton to the new generation. So of which, what does it tell me? It tells me that in whatever I'm doing, I need to ensure that I contribute to the growth of the company. Sumitomo is a progressive company because it does look after its employees, and I'm the living proof of that particular assistance from the company.